So the question is, what is a chiropractic adjustment? Chiropractic adjustments are the main therapeutic modality that chiropractors use to serve their patients. So typically chiropractors will do this with their hands. Some like to use little instruments, and there's many different ways to do it. And of course, per the person, there's different ways to apply it, which is going to be different if you're a child versus an adult who's a wrestler or who is working at a desk all day long. So everyone receives a little bit different type of care of an adjustment. So what does the chiropractic adjustment do? It helps to restore the biomechanical properties of the body. It also helps to restore histological dysfunction like cellular inflammation, thereby decreasing pain and restoring function. We do this by taking advantage of the muscles, the joint, and the tendons, or the muscle to bone connections, and these things are loaded full of neurological receptors that fire into the central nervous system, thereby helping to change even the state of the central nervous system, which is like the CEO of the body. So when that thing is happy, the body is balanced and life is good. Also, chiropractic adjustments are used for even preventing pain and discomfort. So this is one of the big reasons that chiropractic is the #1 natural health modality used in the United States. Oftentimes people think of this when they have like a kinked up neck or when something's not moving right and they need that joint to move, get rid of that joint fixation or that subluxation where the movement's not happening properly. And that's what we do as chiropractors, is help the joint function to get normalized. And as a big benefit from that, you don't just regain your function mechanically, but even cellularly and neurologically. So that is what a chiropractic adjustment is. Take care.